In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy after scrolling down. Then tap on Device Unlock after scrolling down one more time. Click on Screen Lock and tap on one of those. Pattern, PIN or password. After picking a perfect method, click on it. Then create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Following that, you need to decide what you do with lock screen notifications by tapping on one of those options. And when you finish, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!